Hey, it's Brian here, and welcome to MoolaMeme. I hope you're ready to have some fun while making the easiest money you've ever made online, because that's what MoolaMeme is all about. Be sure to watch this short video, and we'll keep things as short and concise as possible before you get started. And note that we're shooting this walkthrough video prior to the launch of MoolaMeme and are still adding features and updates as I speak. So I'll also be discussing several pending features that will be available by the time you're watching this after we've launched. All right, let's get started. So here on the home page, you'll see a variety of meme categories that you're free to browse at any time. And then down below, you'll see trending memes pulled from our category pages so that you can see at a glance what memes are new, most popular, most cash bumps, etc. As you browse memes and click here on the Love It button that appears below all memes, that will credit users with a free commission funded by us, by MoolaMeme's shared revenue pool each time you click that button under a meme that you like. We call this action a cash bump. And likewise, each time your memes get a cash bump, you make a commission. So MoolaMeme commissions are literally made with no traffic, no selling, no social media, nothing, none of that. You're literally getting paid to do nothing more than creating and posting memes and having fun while doing it. One meme, 10 memes, as few or as many memes as you'd like. That's not the easiest way to make money online ever. I don't know what it is. Now, all commissions will appear here in your MoolaMeme bank, also referred to as your MoolaMeme wallet. So you can check your commissions and pay out information at any time on this page, updated in real time. Commission amounts, or in other words, revenue shares, vary based on several criteria, so there is no one set commission amount. So that's one primary way to get paid very easily as a MoolaMemer. Now, a second way to get paid, entirely optional of course, is to refer others to MoolaMeme through our member-only affiliate program, which you'll see info on here toward the bottom of the page. This is where it will appear after one of our upcoming site updates, either by launch time or shortly after, and you'll make a recurring monthly commission for every MoolaMeme member you refer for as long as you are an active member of MoolaMeme. Now, our referral program is a free bonus, but for active MoolaMeme members only. And the referral program is a win-win for everybody, because the larger MoolaMeme grows also means a bigger shared revenue pool for everybody, meaning more free cash bump commissions for doing absolutely nothing but creating and posting memes here on the app from your phone or laptop. Now, you can build a great income online just via our referral program, so be sure to keep that in mind. MoolaMeme is a great way for anybody to make money online because it's so fun and simple. So referrals come fast and easy for that reason. Now, yet another way to make money or to get free traffic online with MoolaMeme is to download any meme you want and share it on social media, for example. Now, memes are a great way, a proven way to get views and attract attention. So the idea would be to post a meme along with an affiliate link to some product or site or service. And to download MoolaMeme memes, you simply click on this red button, the red download arrow that you'll see under each user meme posted to MoolaMeme. Now, to create and post a meme, you'll want to click here on this icon, and your memes have to be original, cannot be copied from here or elsewhere online. The only exception are the memes we pre-populated MoolaMeme with prior to launch. So firstly, you'll want to review our brief and simple rules that will be posted here on your meme factory page prior to our launch debut. But anyhow, to create your first meme, click the first icon that you see here to initiate meme creation. And then next, you'll click this blue icon to add a picture that will serve as your meme background. So the simple way to do this is to use an image from pixabay.com or a similar free image site where you're allowed to use the images provided. So pixabay.com is my favorite, and they have a ton of great free images that you're free to use. So to get an image, you can go to pixabay.com, pixabay.com. search for an image by keyword, and then once you found an image you want, you right click on the image you find. And then after right clicking on the image, you want to select copy image address from the drop down. And then you come back here, come back to MoolaMeme, and right click again with your cursor in this field, right click again on this field and select paste, and that will paste in the link to the image that you just selected off of Pixabay. So that's one very easy way. You can do this with any of the hundreds of thousands of images off of Pixabay. Another option is to upload an image from your device, and you can provide your image for an image for your meme. Either way, you can either upload it off your device or get it from a site like Pixabay. Next, you'll want to add text to your meme by clicking this icon and adding some text, choosing colors, and then sizing the text, and that's all self-explanatory and super quick and easy to do. And then finally, you'll give your new meme a title or a name, and then click the big red save button to save your new meme. Now after saving, scroll down to your memes section, where you'll see a copy of your new meme and any other memes you've posted, your entire collection, personal collection of memes, along with their status, the status of each meme. To activate the new meme that you've just created, or any new meme you've just created, you want to click the drop down button here to select the best category for your meme, and then simply click the activate button, and at that point your meme will be active on MoolaMeme, will be public and viewable by other users, and at that point the meme is ready to make you money on autopilot. Now you can visit this section, this page, at any time to see how your individual memes are performing, and you can actually learn from that information, from what memes are doing best, and apply that knowledge to future memes. Now let's check out some other cool features of MoolaMeme. When you click on this yellow icon up here, you'll be taken to your MoolaMeme account page. And first up, you'll see a box that says, create thank you message. Now this is an optional custom message, very simple thing that you can enter and save, and this message will automatically pop up every time somebody clicks the love it button under one of your memes, resulting in a cash bump commission for you. So for example, if you enter thanks for the cash bump, you rock, that's the message that other users will see every time they click the love it button under any one of your memes posted to MoolaMeme. You can also change your MoolaMeme username, and that's visible to other users, so that's something to think about. And you can upload a family-friendly profile picture, or a picture of yourself, which other users will also see, and is a good way to get extra cash bumps. And here is why it's a good way to get extra cash bumps. Now every meme posted to MoolaMeme has a little profile icon. You'll notice this icon right here under each meme posted to MoolaMeme, and that icon, when clicked on, will take other users to your profile page, your MoolaMeme profile page, your personal profile page. And your profile page has a copy of all of the memes that you've posted to MoolaMeme, whether a couple or 10 or 100, it'll have all of them, your entire collection. So essentially your MoolaMeme profile page is like your own personal mini MoolaMeme site, or MoolaMeme app, your own personal little private area where other users can browse all of your memes, and only your memes. So if a user likes one of your memes, for example, they can click on your profile icon under your meme to see all the rest of your memes. In other words, to visit your profile page, resulting very likely in more free cash bump commissions. So posting a profile pic and a fun username will make your profile page more personable and inviting, which can mean more cash bumps. And there is no limit to the amount of memes you can create and post to MoolaMeme, by the way. Just make sure they are your original creations and not copies of other memes, so that your account is kept in good standing. Now we also have 6 optional customization options that you can check out if you haven't already. And each of these add-ons runs on complete autopilot, meaning there's zero extra work involved. And each one levels up your MoolaMeme income. So for example, if you were to get all 6 customization options, you'd be at maximum income power as a MoolaMemer. So be sure to check out all 6 options. If you haven't already, you don't have to buy them in order. You could buy any one of them, several of them, or all of them, according to your budget. And you'll also receive commissions on these upgrades when you refer others to MoolaMeme through our member-only affiliate program that I talked about earlier, on top of the monthly recurring commissions received for referral to the main membership. And commissions on these upgrades vary because the prices on the upgrades vary, but you can make up to $97 a pop on them, which can obviously add up very quickly. So again, be sure to check out our MoolaMeme members only referral, aka affiliate program, once we've opened the doors to members. And again, information on our referral program will appear at the bottom of the MoolaMeme homepage. All right, we've covered quite a lot of info, so feel free to watch this video again as needed, but otherwise you can get started right now or at any time. And I'd probably start by browsing and showing some love, so to speak, to some other users' memes, which you'll want to try to do on a regular basis, such as, for example, each time prior to creating and posting a meme of your own, you can browse the site and like some other memes. Click the love it button on memes you like. Next up, I'd probably recommend going to your account page, your MoolaMeme account page, to customize some of those details as I mentioned. And then finally, you can click on the meme factory link to create and post your first meme. Most of all, have fun. This is a fun and easy app and the perfect way for just about anybody to supplement their income online. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you and your memes here on MoolaMeme soon. So take care.